In conclusion, one of the ways to determine the true capacity of ChatGPT Plus is to look at the trending uses of GPTs. And it's a good indication of the stretched capability of ChatGPT. And typically, you'll see 12 of the top and trending GPTs that are being used. As of the recording of this video, you'll notice that one of those GPTs is created by Canva. And what you'll notice here is that we can prompt ChatGPT to create a Canva image. Now, heretofore, we have not connected our Canva account to ChatGPT. So we're going to type in our request to ChatGPT. And what's going to happen is ChatGPT will then connect to the Canva GPT. We can then click allow or always allow. We're going to allow Canva to connect to ChatGPT via the plugin. And then ChatGPT will suggest specific templates you can use for the purpose for which you have written in your query. What will happen is you will click this design. This will then lead you to Canva. So it's a good idea for you to be already logged into your Canva account. And then the design will open inside of Canva. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to click on top of this design. Our design will then open in Canva, and if you are familiar with Canva, you can begin to edit the design for your purposes. You will notice that there is a logo creator. We're going to click on the logo creator in the GPTs area, and we're going to enter the plain language query, and we're going to click enter. And what you'll notice inside of the GPT is that you'll be asked some specific questions. And once we've answered all the questions, we'll then click enter, and we'll wait for the GPT to do its work. You can then iterate with the chatbot if you need to make corrections. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.